Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Divya and in this video I'll be sharing with you a very quick and easy updo hairstyle that you can do on a bad hair day or a good hair day too. But this is the kind of hack that I like to do when my hair are like this, like the scalp is really oily and I do not want to, just keep my hair open. So this is what I do, and it can be done on any hair length, hair texture as well. So it's a versatile hairstyle, and without any further ado, let's just dive right into the video. To start with a dry shampoo, I'm using this one from Juicy Chemistry. I'm using this basically to absorb all the excess oil from my scalp and lift up the hair to get more volume around around the crown area, and basically give a more fresh look to the hairstyle. And I'm gonna let the product sit for a bit to let to allow it to do its job, and then I'm gonna use a comb to just smoothen out the hair. I have recently shifted to wooden combs, and this one I got from Bare Necessities. This I got from Vanity Vegan. And now I'm just going to use a regular light scrunchie. I don't use tight ones anymore because they tend to give me headaches. So I use this very soft scrunchie which is not super tight. And once I'm done with the high ponytail, I'm going to just pull out a few pieces from the front just to give more volume to my crown area and give an illusion of a slight puff. And once I'm happy with the position of my ponytail, which generally is very random, you can do as per how you like. And with the ponytail, then I'm just going to twist it and fan it out a little bit to get more volume. Now, do it very gently. You don't want all your hair to come off, but then it's okay if some does, because it's a messy bun after all. So just play around with it. It's never going to be same every single time. It's going to be slightly different from the last time, so it's okay. If we have slight layers, you have to be just pin them down. That's okay, it's absolutely fine. It's a messy bun, right? So then just wrap it around the center of your ponytail. Use a few hairpins like these and just secure the bun in place. Now usually I just take 3 or 4 pins to set my bun in place. Sometimes my hair refuses to cooperate, so I might end up taking more. And the structure of my head is slightly weird, so I have to secure my hair from all sides, nooks and corners. So yeah, you just do whatever works for you, whatever you like. And yeah, that's the hairstyle. Now if you want, you can pull out a few strands from the front to just frame your face and give it a more classy look. So yeah, this is the final hairstyle. I really like it. It's great savior for bad hair days. It just looks very classy. It doesn't bother you. Your hair doesn't fall on your face, and it looks good with a lot of outfits as well. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you very soon with another video. Till then, bye. Take care.